Right guys, Ray Duggan back again. Right, I'm going to do a nice, simple breakfast for you today. You'll need a spatula, 1 teaspoon, knife and fork, a knife, a plate, 1 tomato, some cream cheese or cheese, and some oil. Start by putting the oil in the pan. I don't usually use oil, but because this pan is useless, let's turn the one I'm doing upside down. Right, take the top off the tomato. Just roughly slice it up, nothing fancy. Put that in the oil. Yeah, I've got asbestos fingers. Take your spoon, take the oil container. Oh no, I forget it all the other way around. Yeah. Try to dig out your fillet. Dig out your fillet. Get your knife, because you're going to have to cut around the middle bit. You're going to have to cut the middle bit. And you can hear the pan starting to think. You wanna dig the middle out, but you wanna do it carefully because you don't wanna go all the way through the tomato. That's better. Yeah. Yeah, we'll leave it hollow, like that. Put the tomato in there. If you're smart, you'll use the tomato pieces to hold your, it's like my hands are clean. Put that in there, leave that there, bring it under the cloth, wipe the knife off, put that there, wipe the spoon off. Take your cheese, you don't need much. Put your cheese in. I forget. Oh, I'm trying to do this so you can see. I'm only using a knife to hold it so that you can see. Otherwise, my big hand will be in the way. So just, as I say, full the egg. Get the cloth and rag again. Get the cloth. Oh, I'm not with it. I'm in a zone. I don't know what's going on. Put that on there for a minute. Put that there. I didn't bring an egg, did I? Okay. It's hard doing this because I'm doing it all at once. It's hard doing this because I'm doing it all alone. So I can't operate the camera and do the cooking at the same time. You know, I can't see what you see on the camera. Yeah. You get your egg. You break your egg. Straight in the middle. Try and get the yolk in the middle. And that's no joke. Ha! Right. If you notice the egg's gone down the side, that's fine. Put your lid on for a couple of minutes. Just to seal your egg. Now I need a fish slice, so bear with me. Just to cheat, get a small container of water, bung it on the side. What that will do is that will steam your egg to give you a nice top. Take your spoon, make sure might want to turn it up a little bit. You'll probably be doing this on your pan, on the hob, on your gas. I'm doing this in my living room, on my dining table. Just right, you can turn that off now, because there's enough heat in the pan to cook that. Give it a couple of minutes. So put 2 tablespoons full of oil in the pan. Take the top off the tomato. Take out the middle. Take off the bottom. A very thin slither from the bottom. That's just so the tomato sits flat. Put your cheese in. You can be grated cheese, it can be cream cheese like I use. Drop your egg in. Now you might want to use the big beef tomatoes. I'm only using little ones. Didn't realise how little they actually are. So you might want to go for beef tomatoes. It depends on your country, and it depends what size your tomatoes are. Mine are a lot smaller than I thought. Thought they were slightly bigger. Anyway, that'll do for now. And take your knife. Watch your fingers on the side of the pan because it's going to be hot. Tomatoes. Yeah, this is better. If you've seen the first video I did this morning, it was a train wreck. Yeah. Don't worry about the pips. Turn your pan off. No, that's gone up, not off. Okay, turn that off. Give that a quick wipe. Give that a quick wipe. Put that there for a minute. Right there. I'll be back. Just move that a minute. Excuse me, guys. Whoa. Sorry about that, guys. Quick picture. Give me a sec, I'll be right back. There you go. Cup of coffee, stuffed egg with cheese. Sorry, stuffed tomato with cheese and egg. You take your bread, you break your egg. And that's it. Job done. Subscribe, like, share, comment, tell me what a chain wreck I am, and I'll talk to you all tomorrow.